techies, welcome back to Elfin Code channel. So there's one more update which is coming from the LinkedIn side. So they are bringing some kind of fun element to their platform. So as we know that it is one of the most popular site for job searching. So they want to make the experience of job searching, a kind of hunting, a more fun. They are bringing some kind of in-app in-app games in their job hunting process. So it's like, when someone is sitting on the LinkedIn and trying to find out jobs, scrolling a lot of pages, filling up a lot of forms, giving their details, so it is quite tiring, correct? So while you get tired, you have the option available in the platform itself to play some game and get yourself a little rejuvenate, and then again start your job hunting process. So this is the kind of theme where they are working on it. Hopefully we will be seeing some other kind of such kind of games coming out on the LinkedIn platform. So I'm just hoping to see this on the LinkedIn platform. That will really make the job hunting process even a little fun and entertaining. Thank you for watching Elfin Code, and we'll be sharing further update very soon. Thank you.